Welcome to the discussion on contribution toward management thought. My name Dr. Devuli Priyan, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Herewith, we are going to discuss contribution toward management thought. Especially, we may enlighten on contribution of Michael Porter. This unit concerned with MCOM Part First, Semester First, Compulsory Paper First, Management Concept and Organization Behavior. Learning objective of this discussion: to know contribution of Michael Porter, to understand competitive advantage with three generic strategy, and it's mainly focus on cost leadership, differentiation and focus. These are three strategy which is suggested by Michael Porter in competitive way. Outline of this discussion: we may know about Michael Porter, contribution of Michael Porter, competitive advantages with three generic strategy, that is cost leadership strategy, differentiation strategy and focus, that is market segmentation strategy. First of all, we may introduce Michael Porter. Michael Porter is a professor at Harvard Business School. He was born on 23rd May 1947 in Michigan. He well-known economist, researcher, author, advisor, speaker, teacher, etc. He has aerospace and mechanical engineer. He was completed their MBA from HB Harvard Business School. He has completed PhD in business economics from Harvard, and he mainly focus on men who changed the management perception. He got n number of awards and achievement, 21 award, honorary doctorate from various institutions, 7-time McKinsey Award and best article in Harvard Business Review. And his contribution mainly Porter 5 force model, 2 generic strategy, value chain model, Porter hypothesis, Porter 4 corner model, etc. Porter 5 forces analysis is framework that helps analyze the level of competitive within a certain industry on the basis of 5 forces. Introduction: the rationale behind the study of competition. Today's company face their toughest competitive ever. Company must also understand their competitors, identify, analyze their strategy to the position themselves in such a way as to gain greatest possible competitive advantages against competitive in marketplace. Michael Porter has suggested 3 general types of positioning strategy to achieve competitive advantages. These 3 strategies are cost leadership, differentiation and market segmentation. Cost leadership, where morely focus superior profit through lower cost. For example, Walmart is there. Differentiation, creating product or services that is perceived as a being unique throughout the industry. For example, McDonald's. Focuses, that is market segmentation strategy, where mainly concerning on limited part of the market, PepsiCo. These are some example of 3 strategies, that is cost leadership, differentiation and focuses. First of all, we want to focus on cost leadership strategy. A firm tries to reduce overall production and distribution cost. For this, they may use economical scale, low direct and indirect operating cost, control over the supply chain. The firm can compete on price with every other industry and earn higher unit of profit. Cost reduction provides the focus of the organization strategy. Competitive advantage is achieved by driving down cost. Thus, cost leadership is a strategy company use to increase efficiency and reduce production cost below industry average or their closest competitor. For example, Walmart is there, Dell Computer is there, Tata Steel is there, and Reliance Industry. These are in this industry use cost leadership strategy. Then differentiation strategy means we are unique, we are different. We may produce innovative and different product, and in this way we may attract our customer. And differentiation means what? We are unique in market. This strategy adopted by competitors or any company. Then market segmentation. In market segmentation means what? We may divide market in different parts and considering customer needs, want, expectation, like, and we may develop our product and we may supply or deliver product to right customer, and this strategy useful for the develop our product. And this best example of market segmentation Ferrari, then Southwest Airlines. These are some best example of differentiation strategy, that is market segmentation strategy, that is focuses. However, Porter 3 generic strategy criticized as Porter work is based on case study. It is tend to apply only developed economy. Porter model does not adequately address the role of MNCs. Herewith, we learn cost leadership, being the lowest cost producer in the industry as a whole. Differentiation, the exploration of product or service which is believed to uniqueness. Then focus, restricting activity to only part of the market through providing goods, services or lower cost of segment. Then differentiation focuses. In brief, it is stated that overcome of failure and need make a choice between the cost leadership and differentiation. Porter model can be constitute the basic of useful framework for category and understanding source of competitive advantages. And therefore, in brief, it is stated that Porter competitive strategy model and this strategy useful for the build up our competitiveness, and we may compete to our competitive and survive in market. All these things we may learn in contribution of management thought, especially in Michael Porter contribution. If you have any doubt, please contact me. My name is Dr. Devi, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Mobile number 9049081926. My email ID paresh84chan@redipmail.com. Thank you.